Good morning, student. Today is 14th June 2020 and this is my lecture number 55. I am continue the chapter NPO. Now today's lecture is based on practical question preparation of income and expenditure account. Preparation of income and expenditure account. So first we have to read the question, then I will prepare the format of income and expenditure account, and then I will solve practical question related to income and expenditure account. Therefore, student, see the question. Student, this is the question. From the following particulars, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Fee collected including 80,000 on account of previous year is given 3,80,000. Fee for the year outstanding is 10,000. Salary paid including 3,000 on account of the previous year is 28,000. Salary outstanding at the end of year 1,000. Entertainment expenses is 3,000. ETC are given, so I will put one by one in income and expenditure account, which is related to income and expenditure account. So first we have to prepare format of income and expenditure account, then I will put the item either in income side or expenditure side. So let us see the format first. This is the format of income and expenditure account for the year ending ended 31st March 2020. This is expenditure side. And also DR side, rupees, income, rupees, credit side. Now question says fee collected including 80,000 on account of previous years 3,80,000. So First I will write by fee in credit side because it is income. So 3,80,000 and 80,000 fee include related to previous year, and I am preparing the income and expenditure account for current year, that means up to 31st March 2020, because income and expenditure account always prepared for current year only. So I will deduct outstanding fee beginning of the year. So beginning of the year 80,000 will deduct, then it will remain 3 lakh. Now question says fees for the year outstanding 10,000. So this is current year outstanding, and I have to calculate current year fee. So I will add it outstanding end of the year 10,000. Now in final amount I will write 3,10,000. Now third point is salary paid including 3,000 on account of the previous year, and salary is given 28,000. So salary is our expenses because salary paid is given. Now I will write to salary. To salary 28,000 and minus outstanding beginning of the year. This is last year outstanding, so I will deduct 3,000 and it will remain 25,000. Now fourth point is salary outstanding at the end of the year 1,000. So I will add outstanding salary end of the year 1,000. Hence total will be 26,000. Now question says tournament expenses 12,000 and fund is not given. So I will write tournament. We have to see if any fund is given in question, then tournament expenses will deduct from fund. So first is given entertainment expenses rupees 3,000. Now I will write entertainment expenses. It will be our expenses. Entertainment expenses 3,000. Now tournament expenses is given 12,000. So I will write tournament expenses 12,000. Now meeting expenses is also given 18,000. So in debit side meeting expenses will be 18,000. Now traveling expenses is given 6,000. So traveling expenses 6,000. Now, purchase of books and periodical including 19,000 for purchase of book. Total amount is given 29,000. Out of 19,000 is periodical. So periodical expenses will be revenue expenditure, but remaining balance will be book purchase. So book purchase, when we purchase book, it will be assets. So I will write periodical expenses. It will be 29,000 minus 19,000, and I will write 10,000. Now next point is rent. Rent will also our expenses 10,000. Now next point is given postage, telegram, printing and stationery, and donation received. Postage and telegram 15,000 amount is given. Next, postage, printing and stationery is also given 4,000, and last point is given by donation. $20,000. Now I will calculate the balance. Total in credit side is more than the debit side, because in credit side 3,30,000 total amount, and I will also write in debit side 3,30,000, and excess of income over expenditure will be surplus. So I will write surplus, and it will be, when I will deduct all the expenditure from 3,30,000, then it will be 2,26,000. So this is the solution of this question number 17 according to your book. Now I will solve next question. Now this is next question, question number 18a. From the following, prepare income and expenditure account of Lions Club for the year ended 31st March 2020, and items are given. This is receipt side and this is payment side. Now we will put one by one all the item which is related to revenue expenditure and revenue receipt. I will put in income and expenditure account. So see the problem. First is given by balance balance sheet BD, cash and bank. So it will not shown in income and expenditure account. This is your income and expenditure account 18A. Format will be same, so I have not written income and expenditure and so on. You all know the format. Now next point is given donation. Amount is 8,000 and it will shown in credit side because this will be our income. So I will write donation 8,000. Now subscription is given 30,400. So subscription by subscription 30,400. Now next point is given entrance fee 4,000. So I will also write entrance fee 4,000. Now next point is life membership fee. Student life membership fee shown in liability side. So I will not write in income and expenditure account. Interest on investment is given 1,000. It will be our income. Interest on investment 1,000 is given. Now tournament expenses is tournament receipt is also given 8,000. So I will write tournament receipt 8,000. Receipt 8,000 and sale of old furniture 2,000 is given and it will deducted from furniture and show in balance sheet. So it will not transfer into income and expenditure account. Now in payment side, salary is given, rent is given, investment is given. So I will write one by one. Salary is given 15,000. Rent is given 8,000. Tournament expenses. Now tournament expenses, because investment will not show in expenditure side because it will be capital payment. Books also will be capital payment, but tournament expenses will shown in expenditure side. Tournament expenses 5,000. Now furniture, it will be a capital expenditure. So I will write now office expenses. Office expenses will be recurring nature, so it will shown in income expenditure side. Office expenses, office expenses 6,000. Now one more item, electricity 4,000 is given. I will also write electricity. Electricity 4,000. Now printing and stationery 3,000 is given. So printing and stationery 3,000. Now balance CD is given. So all the item has been shown in expenditure side is related to revenue expenditure, and all the item shown in income side will be revenue receipt. No capital receipt will shown in income side, and no any capital expenditure will shown in expenditure side, because income and expenditure is prepared for calculation of surplus and deficit. So all the capital receipt and capital payment will shown in balance sheet. So I have separate all the item, and you can also learn on the basis of format of income and expenditure account, because in my previous video I have explained the format of income and expenditure account, balance sheet. So now I will calculate balance. Total of income side will be 51,400, and in debit side also I will write 51,400, and excess of income over expenditure is known as surplus. So I will write surplus. It will be 10,400. So this is the solution with your question. Now I will meet you in next video with some new topic. Thank you very much.